Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how to change the sound of a text message on any iPhone. Before we start, give this video a like. Also write your comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, let us get down to our topic today. And to do that, friends, you'll need to open the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and go to the Sounds and Vibrations section here. Now you're going to need to find the text messaging section. And as you can see, there are a large number of different sounds here that you can apply to your text message notifications. You can tap on them. So friends, you can choose the sound that you like. Or you can click on the Classic section at the bottom. There's an even bigger selection of those sounds. Also, if you want to customize the sound of the text message in any other way, you can click, for example, Add in the Tone Store. And then go to Tones. And here you can choose the tune you like. With these methods, you can change the sound of the text message on the iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget, friends, to put your like, also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.